Today we're going to look at the 5 assets you should invest in, but some of these assets do need a great deal of capital to allow you to get exposure. But I've found a very interesting way where we can buy shares in companies that will give us exposure to these 5 asset classes. The first one is stocks and shares. It speaks for itself. Second one is property and real estate. The third is gold. Fourth is cryptocurrency, and fifth are up and coming businesses. So we're using the free trade app, and I have made a couple of purchases already. I'm aiming to invest about £20 in each class and see how they work. So the first one was the S&P 500. This is an exchange traded fund that gives you exposure to the top 500 companies in the United States. And if we click on that and scroll, that's a queued order. The order's been placed today for 2 shares, but they'll be executed tomorrow because the stock exchange is closed at the moment. The next one that we've got exposure to is real estate property, and this is a US based real estate investment trust called Preferred Apartments, and we can see the queued order. There's an order queued for 1.94746 shares, and what this company does, its primarily function is to acquire and operate multi-family properties throughout the United States. So it gets rental income from properties it owns. So that's the second asset class. The next one is gold. Now, you can buy physical gold, but you do need a certain amount of money, where I'm going to invest in gold, a company called Gold Fields. And what they do, they are a company, it says here, company is one of the largest gold producers in the world. It operates mines in Africa, Australia and South America. So the price of these shares or stocks do reflect the price of gold. And as you can see, in the last month, the stock has gone up. So we're going to invest £20 in this company, £20, review order, and we're going to buy just under 2.5 shares, confirm buy. Now I've got to put my code in, so I'll just cover that up for security reasons. It won't be 1 second. 1 second, and the order is now being sent. We're using the free trade platform. I may have said Trading 212, but it's definitely the free trade platform. And that's the third asset class. The next asset class is going to be Coinbase. Now, this gives you exposure to the cryptocurrency market. And what they do is, as a US-based platform, allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies via its exchange and brokerage system. So this actually earns money by allowing people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I'm no great lover of crypto, but I think we've got to get exposure to cryptocurrencies because I think it is the way forward. So we're going to invest in a company called Coinbase, and we're going to put £20 in, £20, and review order, and it's confirmed by, and I'll just put the code in again. To confirm the buy. I'm just covering that up for security reasons, and the order is now being sent, and the order's been placed for £19.97, and that's going to give us exposure to cryptocurrencies. So it's done. And the last asset class we're looking at is new businesses. Now, to get exposure to new businesses, I've found quite a novel way. I'm going to invest in a company called SVB Financial, and this company is primarily geared up in helping startups by loaning them money. And we're going to I'm going to invest £20 and review order, confirm buy, and I have to put the code in again. Excuse me while I just cover the screen up, purely for security reasons. And the order's now being sent, and it's queued order, and it's done. And just to tell you what they say the company does, SVB Financial Group Incorporated, traded on the US stock exchange. It's founded over a poker game. The banking group is famous for providing services to startups and venture capitalists. So we benefit by helping to invest in startup companies by owning a part of this bank. So that is the fifth asset class. We've now got exposure to 5 of the asset classes everyone should have, and this has all been done for less than £100. And I found this interesting way of doing this by buying shares or stocks in the companies that gives us exposure to these asset classes. And these 5 asset classes are stocks and shares, property or real estate, gold, and cryptocurrencies, and startup businesses. Hope you found this interesting. It's surprising what you can do by thinking outside the box and looking for novel ways of investing. This definitely isn't gambling. This is a well thought out, planned investment. And that's given us exposure to the 5 asset classes, which I think everyone should try and get access to. But not everyone has capital enough to buy bars of gold bullion at many thousands of pounds, or properties which cost hundreds of thousands of pounds, or invest in lots of money in businesses or cryptocurrencies. Well, I don't understand it enough, so I'm just going to invest in the exchange that deals in all cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to leave all the brain work on that one to somebody else. And we've got exposure to stocks and shares by investing in an ETF, which gives us exposure to the top 500 companies on the US stock exchange. Hope you found this interesting. All questions are welcome, all comments are welcome, subscriptions are very welcome, likes are welcome, yeah. But I must stress, this is just a part of my investing adventure. This isn't investment advice. Till next time, I bid you all a really successful investing adventure.